What's going on, guys? Fuller from Custom Offsets, Custom Offsets TV.
Can you do that again? I was licking my lips.
What's going on, guys? Fuller from Custom Offsets, Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with Junior, and there's a whole lot of loud noises going on because we're actually building some trucks in the shop. Surprise, right? We got another episode of From the Gallery, but not really, sort of. This is actually ambassadors trucks that we're rating. So these are people that applied to be on the ambassador program, got approved. Now we've got their Instagrams, and we're gonna bring their trucks to you, and then we're gonna rate them.
So those are SEMA builds, right?
Not all of them.
Oh, okay.
Regular people can be in the ambassador program.
Whoa,
you don't have to have a
real
SEMA build.
life
You're making this seem like this was a sales pitch. So go to customoffsets.com/ambassador and apply.
Oh, I see what you did there.
First one, at Billy Packer.
I hope he's a Packers fan.
All right, so let's take, see the thing is now we don't have like year, make, model, sizes, so we gotta scroll through the gram and find it out. So GMC Sierra.
Those are gotta be 24s because he says 2-footers in the hashtag.
Yep, makes sense.
And then 37s, 35s.
Tough call, pretty thin sidewall.
Gotta go 35s.
Got that wide angle. Okay, aftermarket bumper. It's got the light bar up top plus the cubes on the top of the hood.
And then, yeah, the front bumper's also got a light bar in there and then double cube on
Oh
each
wait,
side.
this is a Canyon.
Wait, what?
I thought it was a Sierra.
What?
It's just a GMC
Yeah,
Canyon.
you're right. I didn't even notice that.
On some sick fuels.
Fuel forged with amp MTs. Those have to be 24s and 35s.
Yeah, because I mean, the 37's on a Canyon. That would be insane. I didn't realize it looked like a full-size truck in the first couple of photos. All right, okay. Fab 4, I believe, is that bumper. It's got some cubes in there. Extended cab. He's got
So
some.
it's just a little guy.
I don't really like these steps. Little tiny guys.
Oh. Well, I mean, the truck is so teeny, though. That's really all you need to get in and out of.
Right, true. And a bug shield, because you gotta have a bug shield. Hey, see, look at everybody. Didn't realize it was a Canyon at first. Really nice build, man.
We're not the only ones.
Yeah. That's a
And
nice
people-
pavement
yeah.
princess. Okay. Small truck, big wheels, bigger ego. I like this
Nice.
guy. All right, I got a number for it.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
7.
9.
9?
I went with a 9. A lot of my reasoning behind that is simply because it's a Canyon, and like people don't do this to Canyons.
It's true.
But this guy.
I wish people did. The new Colorados and Canyons look really good, and no one does anything to them.
And I feel like this just is gonna anger people, like people that own full-size trucks.
Yeah.
And this guy's out here just like stunting on them.
The reason I gave it a 7 was because it's kind of got like 2 different themes going on almost. If you ignore the wheel and tire setup, it looks like it's like off-road
Off-roady.
built.
Yeah.
But you add the wheels and tires in, and it's like, you're not gonna take those off-road. You're not gonna want to.
Yeah.
So like that's why I gave it a 7, but it's still like a really clean build. He's got a lot done to it. You can appreciate everything that's done to it because it looks good as a whole, but that's kind of why I was torn, because like lots of light bars and off-roady style, but then forged wheels and dual pro tires.
You know, I don't know if this thought has ever crossed anybody else's mind, but like if this was my truck, I'm gonna build it like this, I'm gonna have these show wheels, and then in the garage, I'm gonna have a set of 17s that I just slap on there, go beat it up, and come back.
Yeah, that's what I would do, because
mean,
you're
I
not
think
gonna want to
that's
beat up your
pretty
$3,000 wheels.
Mopar Matt.
Whoa.
I'm gonna go ahead and say this is a Cummins,
A Cummins.
just based on the sheer size of it. I like it white, teal. It's got suspension powder coated. Let's see. Oh, for sale. 16 wides. What are the rest of the hashtags? 16 wides and 40s. 57 grand.
I should go buy it.
All right. Holy train horns. Holy hook.
This thing's like got everything done to it.
Yeah.
Everything's like painted to match too.
Never satisfied. Custom grille, custom headlights.
I like that front bumper.
King steering stabilizers? Wow.
got
Way to
balls
ball
hard.
out. I dig it. Those
Are
amps
those-
again. Amps and then fuel Mavericks here.
Yep, the 2-piece ones.
So
16
dual
watts.
shocks up front, 4-link.
All powder coated track bars and everything underneath.
Yeah. Gnarly.
It's a big truck. Is he on 40s? Did it say what size?
Yeah, 16 wides and 40s. And then what are those? Probably 24s again?
24-16 probably, yeah.
Be my guess. I wonder if is that a 2-piece fuel Maverick?
It has to be if it's a 16 wide, yeah.
All right. Number? 3, 2, 1,
10.
9. 10.
It's got everything done to it. What more could
Actually,
you, more could you do to it? See?
Yeah, I think I could be persuaded to say 10.
The only thing, if I was gonna be really nitpicky, is I would prefer a headlight that has like a white painted to match housing, and then the projectors.
I like black housing headlights. I think,
And that's just preference at that point.
yeah. Although I guess one thing I would change is that I would probably run chrome or polished wheels.
Oh.
I think on white with this teal would look really sharp.
Yeah.
You know, these wheels have the
Oh.
milling in it. This kind of ties it together.
Yep. But what I've seen a lot of people do too is they'll take something like this, they'll put polished wheels on, and they'll take the inside of their polished wheel and paint it their accent color. So the inner barrel.
Oh, yeah. That looks
When
sweet.
you're looking at it, and
Seeing
I
the
could
seam
totally
up.
see that with the teal and everything like that.
Well, you know, if it was me, I would just have 2 sets of wheels.
Oh yeah, there you go. I'll just keep these ones and buy another one too.
Polished when I want polished and black when I want black.
Is that gonna be an excuse for every one of these guys?
Yeah.
I like this wheel and tire setup, but if it was me, I'd also have a set of 18s in
Yeah.
the back too.
Jaden. All right, let's see what we got here. Silverado. Yeah.
I got wood grain in my diamond up. Got a mill in my go yard.
Whoa! Mama! Yeah!
Look at your
The video's sideways, so it's very difficult to look at. Are those forces?
They're forged. They're forged somethings.
They've got to be forces.
Does it have any hashtags?
American Force wheels. How about that? Now we know. Otherwise, truck actually looks pretty stock.
Yep.
Paint to match bumpers, but that's
I was
factory.
gonna say, is that factory?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, well, maybe not if he's got a chrome rear bumper, but a black front bumper. You can get them painted to match from factory. Aftermarket taillights. He's got diff cover, big old drop hitch. Really clean, really simple, but
Is
really
it
clean.
Duramax?
It doesn't say.
It says HD.
I know, but it should say on the hood. This is the problem with Instagram accounts. Can't see anything. Z71. It's on the beach. Got her buried in the beach.
I thought that was our pizza. I was getting excited.
Oh yeah, we got pizza coming. Sal's Pizza. Barstool Pizza Reviews. El Presidente. Come get Sal's Pizza.
Did you just
Appleton,
plug
Wisconsin.
Sal's? We don't even sell them. You can't.
We don't sell
And also, El
Sal's.
Presidente Barstool, whatever your name is, if you want wheels and tires, customhouses.com.
Yeah, right?
See, that's what you got to do.
Oh, here's his old setup.
Oh, I like the new setup way better.
I do too. All right.
You got a number?
Yeah, we can rate it. There's not a lot to talk about on this one, honestly. 3, 2, 1, 8.
Yeah.
Not a lot of. He's got the bling with the American Forces, but other than that, not a whole lot done.
Which isn't a bad thing. I mean, he
No.
kept it super minimal, but still stands out, which not a problem with at all. I dig it.
And so the people who know trucks will still look at this and be like, "Dang!"
Yeah.
But you're not going to draw attention to yourself everywhere you go.
Yeah. Did you just
Which
lose your voice?
is not a bad thing. Yeah, I don't know. I got this thing going on.
Oh,
The
God.
thing with the stuff.
Yep. The doctor told you to. Yep.
LML D-Max. I wonder if this is a Duramax.
Dom, you just ruined our video.
Yeah, way to go, Dom.
And you're not Sal's Pizza, so what are you doing here?
What do you mean you didn't see us in here? Tint too dark. Custom Offices got tint on all the windows, not just our vehicles. It's true. TS 544s. Look at these little. I feel like the Buick Lucerne had these little vent thingies on there. These look better on here though. Oh, it blacked everything out, so it had a lot of chrome.
I like the
Got rid
headlights.
of the chrome. I feel like the stock GMC headlights look so good though.
They
that,
do.
I'm
Those
not.
don't look that different.
Yeah, I'm not mad that he changed them, but I
They're
don't
probably
hate the other
Anzo because
ones.
the taillights match.
Taillights are pretty sick too. Big old tip on there, black bumpers. Kind of blacked everything out. Blacked
See,
out
those
the
headlights,
grill.
they still have the same shape with the DRL.
Yeah. Big old windshield brow, but no tint on the front windows? Question mark?
Isn't that
Oh.
what is up with the hood?
I don't know. I can't say I've ever seen that. Those are like the two end caps, they
Right.
go on the edge of the Duramax hood, but now they're in the
in the
center. Some interesting things going on here. Kind of reminds me of the 6th gen Camaro. They put the little I'm not gonna say shaker hood, but they have the venting cut in it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
7.
6.
6. It's getting a
It
little-
just doesn't.
doesn't do it for you?
It doesn't have the wow factor.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like if you're driving down the road, you pass this thing, you'd still be like, did you double take it? What was that?
Possibly. Oh, it looks like he did get tint on the windows now. All right.
Oh, so
Fair
now is it
enough.
a 7?
Well, I mean, toolbox in the back. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. It's all blacked out. It's
It
still
seems like
something
he
that
uses his truck, not work truck, but
Yeah.
more along those lines where it's more like,
still gets stuff done with
Yeah.
it. Which, right, I mean, everybody builds their truck for their own reason. This probably works perfect for him. But comparing it, you know, to the last couple of trucks we've seen, but comparing it to the trucks in general, you know, it's difficult.
This guy.
My job's so hard.
Yeah.
So
You should
hard.
quit.
Yeah, okay.
Oh.
All right, guys, this is my last video.
And our last truck. Oh,
Hey.
boy. Okay.
Look at this thing. 01 F250.
10th gen F-150.
Two-wheel drive. 2614s.
Flashbacks right now.
2614s on 37s.
And squatting.
Look at this thing. Dude, I kind of like this. Oh, we got another video. I bet she's a sick trap beat.
She got too many bodies. I made my shooter switch the Glock. He got too many bodies. He tryna pop a nigga top. He don't want shoot nobody. I left my kids up in the door. She takes my phone. You childish. She like you fucking childish. And I put ice up in my mouth cause I'm the fuck.
2614.
Niggas act like they be out, but when we lurk, they
Too much heat. That's sweet.
Okay.
Those are some pretty bright wheel lights too.
Yeah.
Looks like that aftermarket taillights. Black those out. It's the
I've always
Lariat
hated-
F-150.
So the crew cab F-150s in the 10th gen, they gave the stupid little taillights that the step sides had.
Yeah.
I saw a guy that took an extended cab box, which has like the normal taillights that all vehicles have, and put that
Put it on
box
there.
onto a crew cab. He cut it and shortened it. Like that was like, yeah.
This thing's slick. Look at how stuffed those rear
Yeah.
tires are in there. This is clean. I wonder where he's from.
What are those
Definitely
wheels?
not up here.
RBP?
I think RBP.
RBP wheels, yeah. Jeez.
Ghost. I like the headlights too, actually.
Yep.
It's pretty clean, with just the LED little bar for the running lights.
I'm surprised you like this much because this generation F-150 gets so much hate as being the ugliest vehicle,
It is.
ugliest truck in existence.
But the way this one is done up, I kind of like it. Because the thing is, most builds that I see with this generation F-150, I'm not really a huge fan of. But when this truck is this clean, and he's got massive wheels on
Yeah.
there, the white and chrome, you can't go wrong with. I don't know, I like it.
Are you ready to rate it?
Yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna pick though. I'm just gonna wing it here. 3, 2, 1, 8.
Oh shit.
You forgot to say the number.
So, the body style, I give like a 3, just because the truck, I don't like the truck, but the build as a whole, I give an 8.
Like being a meme right now.
You can't be a meme.
Ken.
Yeah. the
Build
truck-
8, truck 3.
Yeah, like I had one of these, so I feel like I'm
Yeah.
one of the people who are
Yeah.
able to say that.
Yeah.
Like I can just openly admit that that is not the prettiest body style truck out there, but for what it is and doing this to it, I give you props because it looks dope.
Yeah, it's slick. So if if you normally watch from the gallery, what we tell you to do is add your truck to the gallery so we can rate your truck. So whether you want it there or you want to apply for the ambassador program, doesn't matter to us. You can do either one. You can just check out us at customautossets.com, and that's where everything is: wheels, tires, suspension, ambassador program, gallery, photos, videos, t-shirts,
Lighting,
shine, spacers,
spacers, spike lugs,
spikes.
apparel,
Said that.
hoodies,
We done?
t-shirts, hats, beanies. Subscribe to youtube.com/TV.
Peace.